What is up, guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be doing the green eyeshadow makeup look that you guys requested. Some of y'all asked me to do a video on this green eyeshadow makeup look. If you haven't seen my last 3 videos, I had this makeup look or this eyeshadow look in my past few videos and y'all loved it. Girl, I loved it too because I recorded 3 videos, not 1, not 2, but 3 videos with that makeup look because I was like, you know, I have to get the most of this look. So I recorded a video before where I talked about this palette, and I did a makeup look with this palette. It didn't get much views. It got like 78 views. That's okay. That's okay. That's okay. 78 people who loved me enough to watch that video. But you could get this palette from EYESHADOW, and it pretty much has a good amount of eyeshadow colors. It has some lip gloss, it has some blushes. Is that blushes or bronzer? I think these are bronzers or highlighters, I'm not sure. And it also has some lip gloss in there too. But that day I just decided to be adventurous and I went ahead and I did the bright green. So I used this one, right? And I used the darker one in the crease, and then I also went ahead and used yellow on my lids. So I did went ahead and I put my Pro Concealer on my eyelids, you know. Okay, so I went ahead and I took this lighter green color and I took it and I put it right here on the top. I took this one, so a little shade darker, and I went along my crease. After I did that, I went ahead and I took my yellow eyeshadow, which is this one, and I put it on my eyelids and I kind of patted it in. Okay, so after I did this, I just went ahead with a big brush and kind of just blend it in together. I went ahead and I took my baked highlighter. This is the color Bubbly. This is my favorite, and I also use it for my highlight. And I take some and I put it. And I take a little bit and I put it right here in my tear duct. And with my favorite Wet n Wild I also took a little bit of the bright green, this one, and I put it a little bit below. Not a lot, just a little bit. Mascara, and I'm pretty much done. You could go ahead and add some falsies to it for a more dramatic look. that's it. That's pretty much all I did for this makeup look. My hair is looking so frizzy that I had to cover it up. And I literally put on this pantyhose on my head because I wanted to present my best self for you guys, you know? Yeah, but this is the look that I got. And y'all loved it, I loved it too, and this is how I did it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and click that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next video. I have some more videos coming, so please click that bell so that you don't miss out on any of my videos, okay? Alright, see you guys in the next video. Bye!